the starting of the week. At Summit Talks, you'll